Okay, everybody. Today we're going to learn how to adjust the echo on the inside of one of these SuperStar SS-158s. I sent one out without adjusting it low enough, and there's too much echo on it. And he doesn't want to send it back. He likes it too much. How can I do it at home, Screwdriver? Well, here's how you do it. It's a little complicated, but you can do it. So you need it plugged in and on the antenna, on a channel that no one's going to be on. And I got my talk back on. Check. Can you hear how that's just too much? So with it like that, I grab this control here. And this is the delay. So I want to make the delay fast enough that you'd really understand me with this much echo. Audio. Almost. And now let's bring the echo down for this control on the left. Audio. Check. Audio. Okay, so return to the right, it's less echo. Audio. Check. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. That's almost good right there. Audio. Check. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And that's how you do it. This one's the delay, and this one's the amount of echo. Now the echo is already up too high, so I just make the delay a lot faster than it was, so I'm not repeating on top of myself. And then I bring the echo down to where I can tolerate it. Check. 1, 2, 3, 4. That's all there is.